The College Lie: 7 Side Hustles Making Teens Rich. Did you know that right now, there's a 16-year-old in Texas making $15,000 a month while his classmates are asking their parents for lunch money? And he's not alone. Thousands of teenagers across America are quietly building wealth through side hustles that most adults don't even know exist. While everyone's debating college costs, these smart teens are already on their way to financial freedom. I'm talking about high schoolers earning more than their teachers, 14-year-olds buying their own cars, and teenagers who'll graduate debt-free because they cracked the code early. Hey there, wealth builders. Welcome back to WealthWise, where we turn financial stress into financial success, one wise decision at a time. I'm Jesse. Today, we're exposing the biggest lies sold to teenagers everywhere, that college is your only path to wealth. The truth? Some of the richest young people I know never stepped foot in a lecture hall. Instead, they discovered something far more powerful: the world of teen side hustles. And here's what's crazy. These opportunities didn't exist when your parents were teenagers. The internet has created a whole new economy, and smart teens are the ones capitalizing on it, while adults are still figuring out how to use TikTok. Let's be brutally honest about what teens face today. Your weekly allowance of 20 or 30 bucks doesn't cut it anymore. Movie tickets cost $15. A decent meal out is $20. Gas money for weekend plans? Forget about it. And don't even get me started on saving for a car, prom, or college. The average teenager needs about $200 a week just to have a normal social life, but most are getting maybe $50 if they're lucky. Meanwhile, your parents keep saying, focus on school, while you watch your bank account stay at zero. They tell you to get a part-time job at McDonald's for $7.25 an hour, where you'll smell like French fries and have zero flexibility for school activities. The old system is completely broken. Your parents worked summer jobs that paid for college tuition. Today, a summer job barely covers textbooks. But here's what they don't understand. The rules have changed. The internet has created opportunities that didn't exist in their generation. While they're stuck thinking about traditional jobs, smart teens are building businesses from their bedrooms and making more money than most adults. Side hustle number 1: social media content creation. First up is something you're probably already doing: scrolling through TikTok and Instagram. But what if I told you that creating content could pay your bills? Teens are making serious money by posting short videos about everything from cooking hacks to study tips. The secret isn't having a million followers. It's understanding what people want to watch and creating content that stops the scroll. Sarah, a high school junior from California, started posting organization tips for students. She wasn't trying to become famous. She just wanted to help classmates get their lives together. Her videos showing how to organize backpacks, plan study schedules, and create aesthetic note layouts started getting thousands of views. Brands noticed. Now she earns $3,000 monthly from sponsorships with companies selling planners, pens, and study supplies. Here's the key: you don't need expensive equipment. Sarah films everything on her iPhone. You don't need to show your face. Some of the biggest accounts are completely faceless, just showing hands, organizing things, or voiceovers with gameplay footage. The platforms pay creators directly through their creator funds. Plus, you can earn from brand partnerships, affiliate marketing, and selling your own products. The best niches for teens: study tips, room organization, budget fashion, simple recipes, fitness routines, gaming content, and day-in-the-life vlogs. Pick something you're genuinely interested in, because authenticity is what builds loyal audiences. Side hustle number 2: online tutoring and homework help. You know that subject you're actually good at? The one that makes sense to you while your classmates struggle? Turn it into cash. Platforms like Tutor.com, Wyzant, and Chegg Tutors let teens teach other students online. Math, science, English, history, even video game strategies. If you can explain it clearly, someone will pay to learn it. Here's what most people don't realize. You don't need to be a straight-A student to tutor. You just need to be one step ahead of who you're teaching. If you're good at Algebra 2, you can tutor Algebra 1 students. If you aced AP Biology, regular biology students will pay for your help. The money is real. Many teen tutors charge $15 to $25 per hour, and experienced ones can charge even more. Work just 5 hours a week, and that's $300 to $500 monthly. The best part? You set your own schedule around school activities, sports, and social life. Emma, a 17-year-old from Ohio, specializes in helping middle schoolers with math anxiety. She charges $20 per hour and works 8 hours a week. That's $640 monthly, enough to cover her car payment, insurance, and gas with money left over. She says helping younger students actually reinforced her own math skills and boosted her confidence. The key to success? Be patient, encouraging, and really listen to where students are struggling. Don't just give answers. Teach them how to think through problems. Happy students become repeat customers and refer their friends. Side hustle number 3, print-on-demand design. Here's a goldmine most adults completely miss. Teens are creating designs for t-shirts, phone cases, stickers, and mugs, then selling them through sites like Redbubble, Teespring, and Society6. You don't need inventory, upfront costs, or shipping logistics. Create a design once, upload it to multiple platforms, and earn money every time someone buys it. The beauty is in understanding your generation's humor, trends, and interests. Gaming memes that make no sense to adults? Perfect. Aesthetic quotes in trendy fonts? Goldmine. Funny sayings about school stress? Instant hits. You're creating for people just like you, so you naturally understand what they want. Jake, a high school senior, started designing gaming-related shirts during lunch breaks. His first design, a funny quote about procrastination, sold 3 copies the first week. He kept creating, studying what sold and what didn't. 6 months later, he was making $800 monthly from passive sales across multiple platforms. The key is volume and variety. Upload new designs regularly, experiment with different styles and niches, and pay attention to trending topics. Some teens focus on seasonal designs, back-to-school quotes in August, holiday themes in December, graduation designs in spring. Tools like Canva make design easy, even if you're not artistic. You can also hire freelance designers on Fiverr to create designs based on your ideas, then split the profits. It's all about spotting trends and getting designs up quickly while they're hot. Side hustle number 4, pet care services. Apps like Rover and Wag have completely revolutionized pet care, and teens are cashing in big time. Dog walking, pet sitting, overnight care, and even just playing with lonely pets while owners work. It's perfect for teens because it's flexible, fun, and pays surprisingly well. Here's what's amazing. Pet owners will pay premium rates for someone they trust. Busy professionals, elderly pet owners, and families going on vacation need reliable pet care. They're not looking for the cheapest option. They want someone responsible who genuinely cares about animals. Madison, a 16-year-old from Florida, started pet sitting for neighbors and expanded through Rover. She charges $25 per night for pet sitting and $15 per walk. Working just weekends, she earns $500 to $800 monthly. During school breaks, when she can take on more clients, she's made over $1,200 in a month. The secret to success? Take amazing photos of the pets you care for and send updates to owners. Build genuine relationships with both pets and owners. Be reliable, show up on time, and go above and beyond. Happy pet parents become repeat customers and refer their friends. Plus, there are unexpected benefits. You get exercise, stress relief from playing with animals, and you're building responsibility and trust. Qualities that look great on college applications and job interviews. Side hustle number 5, freelance services. Your generation grew up with technology that completely confuses most adults. Use that advantage to make money. Teens are earning serious cash doing social media management for local businesses, creating simple websites, editing videos, managing online stores, and providing tech support. Small business owners desperately need these skills but don't have time to learn them or money to hire expensive agencies. That's where you come in. You can offer professional services at teen-friendly prices while still making great money. Alex, a high school junior, manages Instagram accounts for 3 local restaurants. He creates posts, responds to comments, and runs simple ad campaigns. Each client pays him $300 monthly for about 10 hours of work. That's $900 monthly for skills he learned from YouTube tutorials and practicing on his own social media. The opportunities are endless. Local gyms need help with social media. Dentist offices need basic websites updated. Real estate agents need help with video editing. Restaurants need help managing online reviews and posting food photos. Start by identifying businesses in your area that have a weak online presence. Reach out with specific suggestions for improvement and offer to help. Many business owners will say yes to a teenager offering quality help at reasonable prices. The key is to start small, deliver exceptional results, and ask for referrals. Word of mouth is powerful in small business communities. One happy client can lead to 3 more. Side hustle number 6, reselling and flipping. This hustle has been around forever, but apps like Depop, Mercari, Poshmark, and Facebook Marketplace have made it easier and more profitable than ever. The concept is simple: buy low, sell high, but the execution requires knowledge, patience, and good instincts. The best teen resellers focus on items they already understand. Sneaker enthusiasts flip limited releases. Fashion-conscious teens hunt vintage pieces at thrift stores. Gamers flip retro consoles and rare games. Electronics experts buy broken devices, fix them, and sell them for profit. Tyler, a 17-year-old sneaker fanatic, uses his knowledge of release dates and market values to flip shoes. He enters raffles for limited releases, buys undervalued pairs from people who don't know their worth, and sells everything for 200 to 400% profit. Last month alone, he made $2,800 profit from shoe flipping. The key is education. Learn market values, understand authentication, know where to find deals, and build reputation on selling platforms. Start small with items you already own that you don't use anymore. Practice writing compelling descriptions, taking great photos, and providing excellent customer service. Thrift stores, garage sales, estate sales, and online marketplaces are gold mines for people who know what to look for. Some teens specialize in textbooks, buying used copies and selling them to students at other schools for profit. If you're already spending hours gaming, why not get paid for it? The gaming industry is worth billions, and teens are grabbing their slice through Twitch streaming, YouTube gaming content, coaching other players, and participating in esports tournaments. You don't need to be the next big streamer to make money. Even small, consistent audiences can generate real income through donations, subscriber revenue, sponsorships, and affiliate marketing. Plus, there are opportunities beyond streaming: creating gaming guides, selling in-game items, coaching newer players, and editing content for other creators. Ryan, a 16-year-old Fortnite player, started streaming to his friends and gradually built an audience of 500 regular viewers. Through donations, subscriber revenue, and affiliate marketing, he earns $400-600 monthly. He also coaches younger players for $15 per hour, adding another $200 to $300 monthly. The key is consistency and personality. Stream regularly, interact genuinely with your audience, and focus on entertaining rather than just being skilled. Many successful gaming content creators aren't the best players. They're the most entertaining to watch. Consider different gaming niches: retro games, mobile games, indie games, or specific genres like racing or puzzle games. Sometimes, smaller niches have less competition and more dedicated audiences. Now let me tell you the full story of Marcus, the 16-year-old making $15,000 monthly. While his friends complained about being broke and asked their parents for money, Marcus started researching print-on-demand businesses. He spent 2 weeks studying successful designs, learning about different platforms, and practicing with free design tools. His first design was a simple gaming meme that took him 30 minutes to create. He uploaded it to 5 different platforms before school one Monday morning. By Friday, he had made his first sale, $3 profit. Most people would have been discouraged by such a small start. Marcus was thrilled. He understood that this was passive income, money made while he slept, studied, or hung out with friends. In month 1, he made $200 from 20 different designs. Month 2, $800. By month 6, he was pulling in $5,000 monthly and had over 200 designs, generating sales across multiple platforms. By month 12, he was making $15,000 monthly and had saved enough to buy his dream car with cash. No loans, no debt, just smart hustle. His secret wasn't luck, special talent, or family connections. He simply started when others made excuses. While classmates complained about being broke, he was building. While they watched Netflix, he was creating. While they waited for someone to give them opportunities, he was making his own. Here's what we covered today: social media content creation for building audiences and earning sponsorships, online tutoring to monetize your academic strengths, print on demand for creating passive income streams, pet care services for flexible and fun earnings, freelance services using your natural tech skills, reselling and flipping for quick profits, and gaming content creation to turn your hobby into income. These aren't get-rich-quick schemes. They're real businesses that real teens are building right now. The difference between teens who stay broke and teens who build wealth isn't talent, luck, or family money. It's mindset and action. The college lie says wait 4 years, accumulate debt, then maybe find a job that pays enough to cover your student loans. The wealth-building truth says start now, learn by doing, and create your own opportunities. While others debate the value of degrees, you can be building actual wealth and gaining real business experience. The best part, these skills and experiences will make you more valuable in any future career. Whether you eventually go to college or start your own company, the entrepreneurial mindset and practical skills you develop now will serve you forever. Which of these 7 side hustles caught your attention? Are you already doing any of these, or is there one you want to start this week? Drop a comment and let me know. I read every single one and love hearing your success stories and questions. And if you're serious about building wealth as a teenager, make sure to check out our video on investing basics for young people. Starting early with both business income and smart investing is the ultimate combination for long-term wealth building. The link is in the description. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button if this content is helping you think differently about money and opportunities. We post new wealth-building strategies every week, specifically designed for young people who want to take control of their financial future. Until next time, keep building that wealth, one wise decision at a time. And remember, every step you take brings you closer to financial freedom. So, what's the first change you're going to make today?